At Best Reviews, our goal is to help you simplify shopping. We take highly rated products and use them how the average person would so we can test whether or not they actually live up to the manufacturer's promises. Today we put the Delonghi Espresso Prestigio Espresso Machine to the test. The Delonghi Espresso Prestigio promises a smart grinding and brewing process capable of making coffee, espresso, and a variety of espresso drinks with consistent results. When buying an espresso machine, it's important to consider the amount of time and effort you'll have to spend on maintenance. You'll also want to consider how you intend to use your espresso machine. Do you only drink espresso, or do you need a machine that can brew multiple drinks, including lattes, cappuccinos, and americanos? With the Delonghi Espresso Prestigio, after the initial setup, which took only about 20 minutes, it didn't take much time at all to prep and start grinding. Brewing a cup of coffee or a shot of espresso is as simple as choosing your own grind setting, cranking down on the tamp handle, moving the filter, and pressing the start button. The included commercial-style steam wand gives you the freedom to texture your milk the way you like it, and even lets you explore your creative side through latte art. Cleaning your Prestigio is pretty easy compared to other high-end espresso machines, as most of the parts detach quickly and easily. At $850, this espresso machine is on the higher end of the price spectrum. Still, it's cheaper than a commercial machine, but promises many of the same features. To determine whether or not the Delonghi Espresso Prestigio is worth it, let's take a look at its strengths and weaknesses. Our favorite thing about the Prestigio is the grinder. It activates automatically after inserting a portafilter and only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to make a shot of espresso or a cup of coffee. We were able to get consistent results every time thanks to the 2 grinding sensors and 8 grind settings. Most of the features are automated, so it's incredibly easy to use, although there's a bit of a learning curve when you first start using it. We also like that the Prestigio is a good-looking espresso machine with a brushed metal and chrome finish that would look good in nearly any kitchen. One of the only drawbacks to the Prestigio is how difficult the filters are to remove. It's easy to scrape or scratch your finger when trying to switch your filters out. We also had some trouble with the drip tray indicator, which didn't always work as expected. All in all, the top-notch Delonghi Espresso Prestigio stands out as one of the best espresso machines we've tested. If you're an avid espresso drinker, this machine would be a great addition to your kitchen.